Yep. So there are different data science roles. If you Google search for data scientist at Microsoft, you will come across a term called data and applied scientist, which is quite rare to see across many companies. But Microsoft has a very different philosophy to this. Microsoft believes that data scientists have to be embedded in different product groups to be able to create an impact and create value for the product. So typically data and applied scientist roles want data scientists to be able to learn new domains and be able to contribute and add value to the product. For example, Word team will have a data and applied scientist role. Office team will have one. I'm sure security team, where I'm a part of, we have data scientist roles. And supply chain team also has data scientist roles. Surface team has a data scientist role, for example. So all these data and applied scientist roles typically sit with the product groups and identify avenues where they could add value and impact. And for these roles, we have a lot of internal tools that we leverage, and we also use a mix of open source tools that are democratizing the field. So that is one side of the whole data science world. The second side is the consulting wing, where Microsoft, as a technology leader and a platform provider, provides consulting to various firms. It could be any firm out there in supply chain or manufacturing or biochemicals, for example. They could approach Microsoft and they can say that, hey, you know what, we have this data and we are trying to solve this business problem, and we believe machine learning will be able to solve this. And we, as data scientists in Microsoft in the consulting group, can take up the problem statement, solve the problem, identify platforms to deploy it, and give a full-fledged working solution. So that is another place where data scientists typically add value to Microsoft. The third piece is a research-oriented wing, where you typically see groups like MSR, Microsoft Research, who hire people with strong mathematical academic skills. And these people typically identify new approaches to solve problems, and fundamentally wanting to advance science. And as data and applied scientists, we are inspired by their work and we work closely with them to bring some of their advancements into the product itself. So there are different data science roles. There is no one size fits all. There is no one single formula to actually work on data science in Microsoft. Regardless of the skill, I believe there should be an opportunity for every data scientist out there in Microsoft.